I've never had meatballs that taste this delicious ever in my life. And this is the only way I will make these from now on. And it's very simple. You can make this in the crock pot, cook it on low all day, or you can put it on high and have it quickly, or stovetop oven. There's just so many ways to make this. And all you need is a can of cranberry sauce, the whole berries, one bottle of barbecue sauce, and one bag of frozen meatballs. You can make your own if you like, but if you want quick and easy and fast and delicious, just buy the meatballs already made. And I'll have exactly what I used, the brands, and I'll have all of that in the description below this video. So you just mix the cranberry sauce and the barbecue sauce together and then add the meatballs. Cook that until it's heated through, because, well, one thing you need to do is buy the pre-cooked, fully cooked meatballs, and that way basically you're just heating this through and thickening the sauce. So after this is done, you can just put this on a platter, and if you wanted to, you could make an actual complete meal out of this, you know, by maybe cooking some rice. Or it just makes a great appetizer for any parties or get-togethers for Christmas Eve or game day or just whatever. It's so good. If you try this, you will not be disappointed. So I do hope you follow this recipe. So as always, thank you so much for stopping by to visit me today. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and I'll see you next time.